So thank you all for coming to this meeting today. First on the agenda, we have call to order and roll call. So I'm here, CJ. Oh, Andy, can you bring up your speaker? Um,
Hello, whoever's out there.
Hello. Okay. So Bonnie, you're comfortable taking minutes?
Yep.
Okay,
I'm working
great.
on that right now.
Okay, I'll give you a little bit.
Give me 1 second. Okay.
Okay.
We skipped over oral communications.
We are there right now.
We're in oral communications.
Yeah.
Okay, so there was an email that was sent around. I don't know if you saw this or not,
I did. It was about
a new monthly town seminar series.
yeah. Oh,
I thought I don't know. I don't think it's on our agenda.
that's for you. It is not. I just got the email today.
Yeah, okay. Anyway, it was sent out by Rebecca, who's one of our town council members. I don't know if you know Rebecca. But anyway,
Who's that?
Rebecca Flynn,
Yeah, yeah,
she's one of our town council members.
right. Yeah.
And they are interested in doing a monthly community event series. And anyway, it's a framework that we can leverage if we want to leverage this sort of thing. We would yeah, so I'm not sure how I haven't actually filed the paperwork for the Star Party yet, but I will. And but so maybe the timing might fit with this series or not.
Okay. So you want the Star Party to be one of these events?
Not necessarily,
But like it could
but
be.
it could be, they could count it as one of their events as part of this thing.
Yeah.
It would behoove us as a committee to, of course, I don't really know very much about this, but to participate as much as possible. They're more likely to take our request seriously if we
Yeah, if we actually,
have
get into their
participated in something
framework
like
of things
this.
that they're trying to do. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right. So,
just as a general
I will,
principle.
when I submit the Star Party paperwork this week, I will mention that, this might be part of, they might consider it as part of the monthly town.
Okay, yeah,
seminar series.
that's great. And that could be the October one.
Yeah, what are the dates?
October 2nd, I'm pretty sure the Star Party
Okay.
is the date we chose.
Well, is that the date that I sent you from Andrew?
That's the date, I'm pretty sure, because we discussed it and we finalized that date.
Yeah, October 2nd. Okay.
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 So I don't know, this camera keeps zooming in.
Okay. Great.
Okay.
Sorry, who's missing from our happy group here?
We're missing Reed, Emily, and Brooke.
Thank you. Okay, so should we move on to the meeting minutes?
I wanted to bring up one more thing.
Okay.
So the budget is due coming up, so we can send out a budget request to Tony. I got another email for that.
Okay,
Would we like to propose an amount?
Did you write this?
no, Rebecca Flynn wrote it.
Yeah, yeah. No.
Okay, so for the budget, would we like to like propose an amount?
Yeah, let's see. I would propose $2,000 or let's say $1,500. Which would be, that's what like that would be sort of a normal budget for us.
Okay. I would say, do you remember how much the Wildlife Day costed?
Well, it's $500 for the banners. $500 for the banners. Okay, that's it.
Okay, that's it.
$550 is what it was.
150. Okay. And we have like, we'll say two of those big events that are costly a year and like some mini events too that are less costly. So I think 1,500 sounds good. What about you, Andy? Would you say $1,500 is a good budget amount?
Well, keeping in mind that it's well known that the town is short on money, can we squeeze it down a little bit more?
Yeah,
We could
you could do $1,100.
Yeah, let's do
we can
that.
do that. But then again, if we don't end up using all the money, I think it just goes back to the town, right?
It's not visible to
Yeah.
anyone else, but it is to us.
Mhm.
The fact that we've asked for less money and we're gonna get along with less money than we thought at first.
Okay, so Andy, you want 1,100.
What?
You want 1,100.
I am,
$1,100?
yeah,
Yes, okay.
So, CJ, you're suggesting a budget of $1,100.
yeah,
To make a motion that we submit a budget of $1,100.
right.
Okay.
All in favor?
All right. Aye.
And this would be a 2027 budget? 2026?
2026 through 2027, yeah. Or yeah, it would.
Well, tell me, what is this ceremony at PV Palooza?
Oh, so it's the awarding ceremony for the winners of our video competition.
The awarding ceremony for,
For the winners of our video competition.
you know,
So, but I don't know if we're like confirmed on that yet.
yeah.
What's the next item?
Okay, next we have the approval of minutes from our March meeting.
I'd like to make a motion to approve the meeting minutes from the March 12th meeting.
I second the motion.
All in favor?
Aye. Minutes approved.
Mhm.
Okay. So next we have our new business, and the main topic is about the PV Youth Climate Action Video Competition.
Mhm.
So first we have the companies and businesses that we want to donate prize or gift money to the winners. So I talked to Brooke, or I talked to Emily actually, who knew about Brooke's progress, and Brooke wasn't, I don't know if she reached out yet.
Mhm.
So
Uh-huh.
I think it might be too late to ask um organizations to donate money for like Portola Valley shops and like gift shops and stuff.
Not necessarily. I mean, if she did it this week.
You did?
What if she did it this week, then it would.
If she did it this week. I'm not sure if she will do it.
Okay.
Because like she didn't do it so far and she seemed a little bit reluctant to like ask out. So do we still want to have like prize money or
Yeah, so I have a family foundation which I can do the prize money. But I just need a vehicle to send the money to. So I need to talk with somebody about how to send money to the town.
like as in like a what do you mean by vehicle?
So either I write a check to the town or I write a check to, there's a foundation now that's associated with the town
Okay.
for things that are not in the budget.
Okay.
That was the reason that the foundation was created. So I just don't know how to actually process that. So I need to ask someone like Mary Hefty how to do it.
Okay.
But if I can do it, then I'll do it.
Okay. Yeah, that would be great.
And I can do like, three $100 gift cards or something.
Yeah. Yeah, however many winners we want to
Mhm.
celebrate or crown with the win. Okay. So next I want to talk about the ceremony for the
PV
winners,
Palooza?
PV Palooza. So Brooke has not reached out about the PV Palooza. And I was thinking that maybe we just have like a more quiet reward, like we could just email the winners
Mhm.
instead of like having a formal ceremony. Because this
Okay.
is again like a smaller event, nothing major.
Okay.
So, but we want to do that.
You could.
That's okay. with me.
Okay. All right. So no ceremony. We're just gonna have email the winners and the participants and like email them like thanks for participating. Okay. So next I want to talk about the publicity. So I did share with you guys a flyer and it's also in the what is it, the shared drive.
Uh-huh.
It's it's pretty much complete. I just need to we need to put down the gift money. We're gonna say $100, Bonnie, or should I wait
You have
to
to wait until I
Wait,
actually get,
okay.
it's like I don't have a way to actually get the money
Okay.
to the town.
So just wait until you get that done. Okay. And then also I need to create an email Dropbox for the participants to upload their videos.
Yeah, and
So
then,
we're
and how do you,
those two.
so, yeah, so we don't have the infrastructure yet to actually do this yet.
We
But
don't.
it takes like 5 minutes to do it.
Okay.
So if we end this meeting in the next 10 minutes, then you and I can just do it. I'll just show you how to do it.
Okay. All right. Do you guys want to take a look at this so far? Or Bonnie, have you already looked at it?
I looked at it, it looked
You
fine to
looked at
me, but maybe you can show it to Andy.
Andy, would you like to look at this?
Looks good to me.
Okay.
Yep, we just need to fill in the process for submitting the videos.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
and is someone going to send that out PV forum?
So
Doing that.
I think we can have someone put it on the PV forum. I also filled out the town event application and I don't know where they're gonna post it, but the publicity will go somewhere online.
Mhm. Yeah, no one will see that.
No one will see that.
Right. So
Okay.
yeah, basically no one sees that.
Okay.
So you you can print the flyer out.
Can put it, yeah, I can put it on, I've put stuff on bulletin boards before for the bird walk.
Mhm,
So I can do that again.
mhm.
Let's see. If someone could put it on the forum, that would be good. Let's see. Reed
Can
is
you
gonna
ask
reach
Brooke to
out.
put it on the forum?
Yeah, I can ask Brooke. I think she can do that.
Okay.
Reed will announce at the Priory, and Brooke, I think she was gonna do it at Corte Madera.
Mhm.
So, hold on.
Did you, for the flyer, did you want to add some graphics, like a picture of a video or like add something to it that makes it more visual?
I could try. I don't know what kind of graphics I would use for
You just
video.
grab it off the internet.
Okay. The thing is, it's like there's not a lot of room on the flyer because there's a lot of information that
Mhm,
I need to put on there.
mhm. Okay,
So
I'm just wondering about the visual,
yeah,
right? There's no visual to kind of catch your eye.
that's the problem.
So I would recommend.
I don't know where I would put that, but I can take a look.
Mhm. Okay, what else?
Okay, so that's basically it after the email Dropbox. And then if we want to go over the Star Party status.
Yeah, so we've selected October 2nd as the date, and I need to fill out the forms now.
Okay.
I haven't filled out the forms yet, so I need to do that right now, right away.
Okay, so just the forms for the Star Party. I think that's the
Mhm.
main thing we have to do now.
Yeah, the date looked fine when I last talked to them a few weeks,
Okay.
actually filled out the forms.
All right. And they are confirmed. They know that we want them on October 2nd.
Yes,
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So I think that's it for the meeting.
okay, sounds great. Thanks for calling this meeting to get the video thing going.
Okay. Yeah. Thanks for coming. All right.
Okay.
So the meeting has been adjourned at 5:27 p.m. and the next regularly scheduled meeting is June 11th.